Are you a good? Oh, there's Willie. There's Willie. There's Ty Cobb. He's a good boy. There's Scout. There's Willie. There's a fine. And there's Scout and Luke. They're duking it out. And Willie's just taking it easy on this cool autumn evening. Oh, look at the man. Look at the man. Look at the little man. Yeah. What are those two up to? No good. What are those two cats up to? No good. Yeah, these are some good pups. These are fine pups. Come here, Scout. Scout, come on. Come here, Scout. Let me see you. Let me see. You a good girl? Yeah, you're a good girl. You're a good girl. Hi, Luke. Are you a good boy? Yeah, are you a good girl? Yeah, you're a fine girl. Okay, everybody. Now we're just gonna settle down. Just settle down for a bit. Take it easy.